sugar plums, welcome back to my channel. Today's series, guys, is super easy, very affordable, and the result is amazing. So I'm gonna be showing you how to make your own plaster of Paris texture paste, guys. If you're into sculpturing and you like painting and you like giving texture to your canvas, so this video is for you. We're gonna go ahead and jump into that tutorial right now without any further ado, and we're only gonna need a few ingredients to make that texture paste. So basically we're gonna be needing white school glue, Elmer's glue. We're gonna need a little bit of white acrylic paint and some plaster of Paris. What I do is like the measurement I do is like 1 cup of plaster of Paris, half a cup of white glue, school glue, and a 1/4 cup of white acrylic paint. You're gonna need a crystal jar that have like a very nice tight seal for the top part, because you don't want your paste to be drying really fast. And that brings me also, guys, to the next tip that I can give you is to make sure that when you're doing it, you make it in small amount. Just make basically what you know that you're gonna be using like within the week or so, because it's best when you use it within that same week. I'll say maybe like 1.5 week top. But basically you're gonna go ahead and mix both the white acrylic paint and the school glue. Mix them really well, make sure that there's no bubble or anything. And like using plaster of Paris, guys, it's the same the same thing. You have to put the liquid first, and then you're gonna add the plaster of Paris into your liquid a little by little, because you need to. I see a lot of people do it, adding the plaster of Paris first and then dump the liquid on top of it. It's gonna give you like very like lump and stuff. So this way is the best way. So I went and add all my plaster little by little, and then make sure mix it. You have to mix it well, guys. While you're mixing it, make sure you're crushing like any like bubbles using the the side of the jar, just with your spoon, like mix it really well. And basically once you're done and then you get the consistency that you want, you need to have like a very nice like thick consistency that it's like when you put it on your spoon, like so it's gonna stay like you see the that's the one that you need to have. It's basically the same consistency if you buy like a jar of like an 8-ounce jar of texture paste, and it costs a lot of money. That thing is not cheap, and I'm telling you guys, this one is the best one. It's very creamy, very smooth, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the result. I'm not just saying it, I'm gonna be showing you on some texture that I made to give you like a little bit of result. This is a quick video that I wanted to do because I'm gonna be using it in the next couple of videos, so I wanted to show you how I make my paste. So basically I'm just gonna go ahead and use 3 different things to show you. I have like a fishnet fabric, a little lacy fabric, and just a regular stencil I have. And you're gonna need a palette knife or anything flat that you can have, but I suggest that you use like a palette knife when you're doing your texture, just based on what you want. So I'm gonna be using my one of my palette knife, and I'm gonna be showing you right now using the little lacy fabric that I have, the texture that's gonna be showing. And when you do it that way, guys, you don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. Look at this, guys. Look at how creamy that thing came out. Seriously, it's one of the best one I have seen so far. And it's a very smooth, very creamy. It'll feel like silk when I'm using it. And I'm gonna be showing you when I put it. You put it on your your whatever you wanna use for your texture, and you pull it. I'm just using like just a regular piece of cardboard, guys. I'm not gonna be using it right now, so I'm just gonna doing it to show you the texture. And this is the texture for this one, and I'm gonna be doing the fishnet, also showing you guys the texture that's gonna come out and how creamy this thing move on the your fabric. So if you want to do like texture with your fabric, or you know, anything really, it's one of the best one recipe for you to be using, guys. Seriously, I'm not even kidding. And you don't even need to waste your money and buying like a giant big jar, unless you know that's your preference. Again, I don't want to spend that much money to, because if you're doing like 2 or 3 big canvas, that's it, the whole jar is gone. So might as well just made yours. You buy like a big jar of plaster of Paris, and this thing is so big, it's gonna last you for a long time if you're just gonna be using it to make your modeling paste on it. Now I'm gonna be showing you on a regular stencil how it looks like, guys. Like I say, you don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way, just because it's so creamy, it's so silky, it moves really fast. It's not gonna have any gritty, you know, mixture in it. It's not gonna have like any bubbles on it. Look at this, guys. It's a very beautiful. And the good thing about it also, guys, you can add paint to it and just give color to your texture. I'm gonna be showing you when I add a little bit of color to my paste, and it's gonna give me a very nice creamy you know, still paste. It's, you know, you can add any color in it. Basically you can do the exact same thing that you can do with the store-bought one. So if you want to save money, guys, this video is for you. And if you know you want to try this one, just do it. Now I'm doing this because like I say, the next couple of videos that I'm making, I'm gonna be using them, so I didn't want to waste the money and buy like multiple jar or big jar for like, you know, more money that I don't want to spend. Basically, like I'm showing you guys, I add some acrylic paint in it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use it again on the stencil and show you guys. And I'll be showing you also, once it's dry, you can paint them, or you can just leave it like this, depending on what you want. You know, this video is not about, oh, you have to do this or do that. This video is just about how to the recipe for the paste itself. And I think it's very useful, because I've seen a lot of video on YouTube, people doing it, and they always want to put like the powder, whatever they're using. Some people use baby powder, and I never did that one, so I don't know. And besides, the smell is way too overwhelming for me, so I don't know. But if you're doing it with plaster of Paris, this is the recipe for you guys, because this is the way you're supposed to do it, and that's the best way you're gonna have the creaminess that I'm showing you right here. And you know, even just putting it straight to the on the cardboard or your canvas, you can just go ahead and with your palette knife and make more texture. And look at this result, guys. I'm not even you know, bluffing or anything. It's very, very, very nice and creamy and silky. And when it's dry, this is what it looks like. And you can see it's very, 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 very nice and detailed texture that you guys gonna have. It's not gonna be like chunky or anything like this. And I'm gonna be showing you a quick little bit of me adding some paint to them. I'm using some, you know, metallic paint, some regular acrylic paint, and basically you can do any type of, you know, of painting you want on them. You can do like a full-blown on painting. You can just go ahead and add a little bit of like, you know, paint at the very top. You can do like lacing on top of it. It's all up to you guys, but basically I just wanted to show you and share with you the way I make my paste. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and don't forget to watch the next video I'm gonna be posting. I'm gonna be showing you how I make like some wall decor using the flower that I made with the plaster of Paris. And also we'll be adding another video after that that's gonna have like a small giveaway on it, guys. So make sure you watch both of the video I'm gonna be adding soon. And I'm one of the video I'm gonna be adding the same day at this video, and the next video is probably gonna be like, you know, maybe like 3 or 4 days after that. The next video I'm gonna be adding, this is the one that's gonna have the giveaway on it, guys. So make sure you watch this video if you wanna participate in that giveaway, and you can win yourself like a free gift card to Totally Dazzle, and you can get yourself, you know, some bling or whatever, you know, stuff you wanna make. So Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you stay safe. If you haven't done so, guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I love you so very much. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified on my next few videos. I love you guys so much, and as always, stay blessed, stay safe, and I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.